2007 Prius, second generation. It is about 196,000 miles on the dash and currently producing and getting still about 44 mpgs. Original hybrid, original engine, no issues. We replaced the water inverter pump in the front side of the car here, inside the engine bay. If you're not familiar, this seems to be the most common failure issue upon these second generation Priuses. The only other thing I could say we have replaced would be the PCV valve, which is about approximately, I think, $11 from my dealership, if I'm not incorrect. Bought it about, I would say, 30,000 miles ago, and it's still going strong. Do oil changes religiously, about 5,000 miles. Oil consumption seems very low for this vehicle. Granted, it is still original engine and original hybrid system. I don't know if that could change. As you can tell, the car has wear and tear. The car has been through some accidents. Well, not really accidents. It's still a clean title, but there's a lot of issues like this. Somebody broke the window, had to get a window replacement. That's why it's not tinted. Random dent out of nowhere. Besides that, slight fading on the roof, slight fading on the paint. Just original stuff, man. And realistically, car's been super good, super reliable, super healthy, and been super cost efficient. Tanks, even at the peak of gas mileage in Arizona, they were no more than $35, $40 for a fill up. And granted, you can get about, I would say, $350 being generous with the gas mileage and fuel economy. Granted, if you have a heavy foot, you're not going to really get those numbers. We are missing some of our grill inserts on the bottom here, and as you can tell, there's some damage to the front bumper. Not a big ordeal. It doesn't change the car. It doesn't change the way it drives. We still have aerodynamic covers for both the front wheels and the rear wheels, but I actually, for some odd reason, ever since we got the wheel balanced, we had a weight put on, so I can't put on the rest of the aero covers. Besides that, everything's still original, super efficient, super clean car. Replaced tires so long ago. I can't even tell you. Tires are nothing on this car. You could buy some cheapy weepies, get them by, cost efficient, and that's what I've been doing, and it's been good. Headlights still original. I know HID owners, people that have the touring editions, have the fog lights and the HIDs. I just hear that over time you run into a lot of issues. So for the most part, halogen bulbs. I want to switch to LED everything, but not really worthwhile. I mean, this car is just keeping me going to work, going to get us A to B. That's it. Nothing, no thrills, no drama, no hassle, nothing crazy. And yeah, unfortunately, you're not gonna get no girls with this. But at the end of the day, if your bank's bigger, I'm sure you'll be able to get more girls with that. You know what I mean? So yeah, your normal wear and tear items are gonna be typically gonna be the door rest, armrest, and of course the armrest right in the middle. That will be your most major wear and tear, and of course your steering wheel. It seemed like they cheaped out on the steering wheels for some odd reason, don't know why. Besides that, interior is still good. For some odd reason, our clock got pushed in, and some reason it's not, we can't just get it out anymore as easily. But besides that, the car has been good. We added some of those door protectors, and I just wanted to close up some of these gaps. I'm probably retarded for doing so, but it's gonna be just fine, because realistically, it's just she's just a go-getter. She does nothing but make money for me, and it's a good car. Can't complain too much about her. Besides that, yeah, minimal replacement, and the car has been so cheap. It's realistic. It's paid for itself already, and it's just a good, cheap alternative car. Especially if you don't have a vehicle that's reliable or even efficient in gas, and you have a couple of extra $1,000 to buy one of these, check the hybrid system, check the fuel economy, because realistically, this would be a financial decision that's a no-brainer for anybody. But granted, that's my opinion. And on top of that, you're not going to be getting anything special. It's just a Prius, it's a hybrid, but these things are tanks. And I've done research after research and forum after forum, and it seems like the second generation seems to be the most ideal, the most reliable, durable one. And Granted, this almost has 200,000 miles. And again, original battery and original engine. But yeah, that's my kind of overview. Not really much else I can say about it, but I'll go into more depth if you guys want some more videos about this vehicle here. And yeah, there's some damage to the front bumper. Ignore that, it's not a big ordeal. But if you want more specific videos about any other questions about this, please feel free to leave some comments in the videos, and I'll go ahead and get back to you guys when I can. Thanks for watching. Appreciate you.